Welcome once again to my channel. SAS Skincare is the name. If you are stopping by for the very first time, you are highly welcome. And to my old subscribers, God richly bless you. In today's video, I'm going to make strong whitening soap. Please, this soap is a strong whitening one. So if you want to whiten your skin, glow your skin, you can use this soap, okay? But please don't use it regularly on your face. I beg you, don't use it regularly on your face. Once in a while, then you use it. So let's get back to my workstation and make this video together. Let's start to make our soap, but before that I use my spray to sanitize my bowl very well. Okay, so my bowl is well sanitized, and my first ingredient will be my nano extra white soap. I'm using 2 pieces. Please, I'm also going to use my Ashanti papaya and honey soap. That one too, I'm using 2. Please make sure that you get original product, okay? Yes, I'm also going to add in my black soap, my big size black soap, 1 of it, please. 1 of it. And I'll be adding in my Clinic Clear shower gel to activate it. Okay, you can use any activator of your choice, soap activator of your choice, but I'm using my Clinic Clear as an activator. So guys, I'm going to grate the Ashanti and the nano. This is the end of it, okay? Yes, I've grated it and it's in a nice gesture. I'm going to add in the rest of the ingredients. I added in 2 of my yellow ozone and 1 pink ozone soap. Okay guys, please watch the video to the end. I'll be listed all the ingredients at the end of this video. Yes, I'll put all the ingredients at the end of this video. So please watch the video to the end. I've grated my pink ozone soap. I'm now going to grate my yellow ozone soap too. Ozone soap, the pink one is for bleaching, whilst the yellow ones and the rest are mild whitening. Okay, so take notes. I'm also going to add in my anti-pimples ball, 4 balls of it, and my 3 days whitening balls too, 4 balls of it too. Three days whitening balls, I'm adding in 4, whilst pimples balls too, I'm adding 4. I'm going to add in my black soap. Yes guys, my black soap. I'm adding in 1 big size. Now I'm going to soak it with my Clinic Clear shower gel. Yes, half of it, half of the bottle, please. Clinic Clear shower gel contains exfoliating properties, and this is very good for exfoliating. So I'll be adding that one to make it more effective. Okay, for those who don't want to exfoliate, this soap will help you a lot. Yes, it's a strong whitening one, please. It's a strong one. I'm going to add in my Perfect Skin Repair and Whitenizer, half bottle. It contains vitamin B3 and sepia white. I'm also going to add in this 2 serum, Betasol and Citroclear serum. Yes, Betasol 1, Citroclear 1, please. In case that you made this soap and it is too thick, you can add in your citro clear one again and better salt one also again. Okay, please. I'm now going to add my citro clear serum. Citro clear serum contains lemon and it is very nice for the skin. Okay, I'm also going to add in my Clinic Clear oil. Yes, full bottle of it, please. I also add in my 42 hours lotion. 42 hours lotion is for the face and for the body, please. I'm adding in one full bottle. Please make sure to get original product when you are ever or you are ready to produce a product, please. I'm also going to add in my Dermalist cleanser, one full bottle. I will be also adding in my herbal water, which is called Omiaro, please. Yes, one of the Dermalist cleanser head, please. Then I will stir it for a while and add the cottage fresh. I'm also going to add in my cottage fresh, one piece. You can decide to add in more cottage fresh if your soap becomes too watery, please. I'm scooping out all. Please, I will be listing all the ingredients at this end of my video. Okay, please watch the video to the end. All the ingredients will be listed at the end of the video, please. Try to watch the video till the end to know all the ingredients I used on this video, please. Then I'll stir it and put it overnight and blend it with my hand mixture. Look at how our soap look like. I use my hand mixture or blender to blend it, and this is the end of it. Okay guys, yes, I'm now going to scoop it into my containers and distribute to my client. Thank you for watching my video. Please see you in my next video. Bye bye.